Today we're going to be talking about the 1815 eruption on Mount Tambora, also known as Mount Tambora. This eruption is the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. Mount Tambora is located in the Indonesian region on a chain of thousands of islands that stretch from Southeast Asia to Australia. That particular chain of islands is volcanic in origin. They are volcanic due to the fact that they are formed above the Sumatra-Sundra Trench system. Here's a schematic cross-section of the subduction complex of the Sumatra-Sundra Trench system. This trench marks the edge of the subduction of the Indian-Australian plate beneath the Philippine-Eurasian plate. The Mount Tambora volcano is a part of a chain of convergent margin arc volcanoes above the subduction zone. In order to give you a better visualization of the eruption, here is an eruption simulator of the Tambora volcano eruption that occurred on April 5th, 1815. You can see how the lava is rising up to the surface of the volcano in the simulation. The 1815 Tambora eruption is known as the deadliest in human history, killing an estimated 90,000 people in Sumbawa and the neighboring Lombok. Most of them died by starvation. Not only did many people close to the volcano lose their lives to the event, the large particles spewed by the volcano fell to the ground nearby, causing houses hundreds of miles from the mountain to collapse under the debris. After the eruption, crops were unable to thrive due to frost and lack of sunshine. These circumstances caused food to be scarce in the area. Farmers who were able to grow crops feared that they would be robbed, and the lack of successful crops that summer made food, which was grown, more valuable. This made the prices skyrocket and made access to food very difficult. 5 days after the initial blast, a series of huge explosions rocked the island, sending ash 25 miles into the atmosphere and sending hot pyroclastic flows tumbling down the flank of the volcano into sea-generating tsunamis. The explosion destroyed the surrounding land and marine ecosystems, even contaminating the scarce sources of fresh water. Although the local effects were the most severe, the effects of the eruption were actually global. The smaller particles spread by the volcano were light enough to spread to the atmosphere over the following months and had a worldwide effect on climate, dropping the Earth's average global temperature 3 degrees Celsius. There are very many interesting facts about Mount Tambora. Specifically in the public, in the area, many believe that nobody should be allowed to climb the mountain since it is way too dangerous. The name of the mountain itself means gone in the local language, as locals notice many people vanish on the slopes of Mount Tambora. Another interesting fact is that the initial eruption of Mount Tambora was thought to be a cannon fired from 1260 kilometers away by the British authorities, who sent reinforcements, feeling that there was an attack on the island. There is much to learn about Mount Tambora, and thank you for listening.